Hi friends, here's a game called the hat game. You're going to either cut these into cards or leave them like this. You decide. And you're going to make matches. Like here's a green hat with orange tassel and a bottom, which matches over to this one. This one, the gray one, is your board. So you're going to make a match. And there's 2 sheets. So you decide, well, this one's orange, but it doesn't match that exactly. And the tassel and the bottom do not match. So you would have to go with this one as your match. Here's a pink one with blue, and here's a pink one with blue. So again, have an adult help you cut it. And then there's 2 different sheets. You mix up this, and then you try to find it on here. Have fun, friends. Bye.